Most people get frustrated the moment a Walmart self-checkout machine stops working. They assume the system is broken and immediately switch lanes. But here's the truth no one tells you. Many self-checkout problems can be fixed in seconds, and in most cases, you don't have to start your entire transaction over. In this video, you'll learn the most common reasons Walmart self-checkout stops working in 2026 and exactly what to do to fix each issue quickly. Let's get straight into it. The first thing to check is the screen message. Most self-checkout errors are actually instructions. The machine may say an item wasn't recognized, an unexpected item was detected, or employee assistance is needed. This is where most people fail. They ignore the message and keep scanning items. That usually creates even more errors and locks the system temporarily. If you see an unexpected item warning, look at the bagging area. The system uses weight sensors to verify purchases. If you place a purse, phone, keys, or another personal item in that area, the machine may stop the transaction. Simply remove the extra item and wait for the system to update. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One of the most common problems happens when an item scans incorrectly. If the barcode is damaged or partially covered, the machine may not recognize it. Instead of scanning repeatedly, try rotating the item and locating a cleaner barcode. Take Jake as an example. He scanned a package 6 times because nothing happened. The real issue was that he was scanning the wrong barcode. Once he found the product barcode, it worked instantly. But here's the problem. Sometimes the issue isn't the item. The machine itself may temporarily freeze. If the screen stops responding, avoid pressing buttons repeatedly. That can make the delay worse. Instead, wait a few seconds and look for a store associate. Most self-checkout attendants can unlock or reset the transaction without requiring you to start over. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to avoid checkout issues altogether. Before scanning, organize your cart. Keep large items accessible, separate produce from packaged goods, and scan one item at a time. This simple habit prevents many common self-checkout errors. Another useful tip is to make sure your payment method is ready before finishing your order. Delays during payment can sometimes create confusion, especially during busy shopping hours. So if Walmart self-checkout isn't working in 2026, don't panic. Read the screen message, check the bagging area, verify barcodes, and ask an associate for assistance when needed. Most problems are minor and can be fixed within minutes. Now you know exactly what to do when self-checkout stops working. If this guide helped you save time and avoid frustration, like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Walmart tips, shopping guides, and easy problem-solving tutorials.